Okay, theory is great, but let's make this real. We're going to walk through a super simple example to see how this thing actually works, step by step. So, at the very beginning, every single node is its own little community of one. Then the algorithm just goes through them one by one, and for each node, it asks a really simple question. Hey, if I ditch my current community and join one of my neighbors' communities, does that make the whole network structure better? And better is measured by a score called modularity. Basically, it's a measure of how tightly knit the communities are. If the score goes up, the node moves. That's it. And this creates these first little clusters. Now for the magic trick. All those nodes that just decided to group up, wham! They get collapsed into a single, brand new supernode. All of a sudden, your massive, complicated graph just got a whole lot smaller and simpler to deal with. And now, you're ready to start the loop all over again. So we run the exact same process again, but this time, we're doing it on the new compressed graph. Now it's the supernodes looking at their supernode neighbors and deciding if they should merge. This is how the algorithm builds up from tiny little groups to massive network-spanning communities. And this is why it's so powerful. I mean, look at this. You could start with a network of 1 million nodes. After just one iteration of this process, maybe you're down to 100,000. After the next one, maybe only 5,000. The problem shrinks exponentially. That's how Louvain can just chew through gigantic networks like it's nothing.